What's good, guys? My name is Bryann, first runner up for BBNaija season level up. My stay was wonderful, but now I have to read some mean tweets or nice tweets. I don't know. We'll find out. The first one says, Bryann really went there and nominated Amaka. None of them in that level would have nominated him ever. I understand that disloyal, condescending, foolish boy. Mado. I feel like I made it clear that I was very loyal, and that is one decision that I regret. It was a random choice. I did not mean to nominate her if I knew that it was having any effect, but it's calm still, Hug. Bryann, who the F are you to say in real life where this girl go see me? Every year there's a housemate that says this rubbish. Foolish boy. Everybody just calling me foolish. What did happen now? I feel like when you're angry, you say things you don't mean, you get. Everybody gets angry. Allow me, I'll be human being. Man, no vex. Hug for you still. Apart from being rude, what else does this Bryann bring to the show? Come on now, why the cap now? Anything you talk, no jig. I bring vibes now, I brought big energy now. Don't say I didn't. How can you just, no, stop that. Topper cut for you, I beg. I hope and want Fina wins. This English, no G. I hope and want Fina wins. Bryann was so useless. All he did was sleep and eat and snore. Joe! I don't know if I will talk for this one, no, but uppercut for you, I beg. As soon as I saw Bryann behind Fina, I knew they would fail the task. He is useless with physical tasks like this. This one pay me. I'm useless with physical tasks. Uppercut for you. I beg. I want to thank you guys for the tweets, the ones that were mean, the ones that were nice, the jig. Uppercut for the nonsense, all of them talk. It's all love still. It's big baby Bree.